Open an image, go to Layers, right-click, select Duplicate Layer. Select the upper layer and make it less colorful by going to Colors, Desaturate, Desaturate. OK. Now let's make some parts of the upper layer transparent so that we can see the colors present in the lower layer. To do so, select the upper layer, right-click and add Layer Mask. Choose White, Full Opacity, Add. Select the Paintbrush tool and set the foreground color to black. The size of my brush is 500, so it appears in form of a big circle. If I want to be more precise, I can choose a smaller value here. Now paint over those parts of the upper layer for which you want the colors from the lower layer to show through. And we are done. Let's have a look at how our upper layer looks right now.